How to fix FIFA Mobile retry unable to access the configuration of current build problem. How can you fix solve? Let's start. Before that guys, make sure you have subscribed. First step was you need to restart your device. Just click on your mobile's power button, long press, and here is the power off or restart button. You just need to click on restart and you just need to restart your device. This is the first step. After restarting your device, you need to open your FIFA mobile and your problem will be fixed. But still you are facing problem, you just need to open your phone settings and then scroll down and go to systems or maybe different option. You just need to check your time and date option or date and time. Click on here and you just need to check automatic time provide zone. It's on your phones, so if it's not on, you just need to active its automatic zone provider and then your problem will be fixed. Or you also use network provider time to they say if you are using off this option, you just need to on this option to use network provided time. Okay, active this and then your problem will be 100% fixed. Third step was you just need to stop your mobile data, off your turn off mobile data or Wi-Fi and then start aeroplane mode, offline mode. After some time off it and then again start your mobile data and then open your FIFA mobile. Your problem will be 100% fixed. And last step was update your FIFA mobile from Play Store. Just go to Play Store, search here FIFA mobile and just update your game and then your problem will be 100% fixed here.